लॉकडाउन लाइव सीजन 2 सेशन 17 में आप सभी का स्वागत है। और जैसा कि हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि सब लोग अपने घर पे रहें, हैप्पी रहें, सेफ रहें और कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा करते रहें, अच्छे थॉट्स लेते रहें, बिकॉज थॉट्स बिकम थिंग्स। तो आज हमारे साथ है Mr. Gaurav Gupta, who's the president of Rajasthani Academy and charter president for Lions Club Delhi Wedge. नमस्कार सर।
नमस्ते जी, how are you?
I'm good, आप कैसे हैं?
Always good and good to see you. You're doing great. Daily
Thank you.
connecting people.
थैंक यू सो मच। सो कनेक्टिंग पीपल से जहां पर बात आई तो आपका भी सेम ही पैशन है और प्रोफेशन है, तो आज का टॉपिक भी हमारा यही होने वाला है, पावर ऑफ सोशलाइजिंग। लोगों को किस तरीके से जोड़ के रखें, उसकी क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है नेशनली एंड इंटरनेशनली एज वेल, क्योंकि हम लोग जानते हैं कि आप काफी अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं सबको कनेक्टेड रखने में, और नॉट ओनली अबाउट इंडिया बट अब्रॉड एज वेल। तो आज हम यही टॉपिक को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं आपके साथ और आपके मंत्रास, आपके फंडास जानने वाले हैं।
There is no special mantras I am having. I just believe in connecting people and be with. I want to live in everybody's heart.
That's so beautiful.
जो आज का जो सिनेरियो है अभी, everybody is in lockdown. Nobody has thought it before. Before March, nobody has thought कि we are not going to move from our house, not going to our office, not going to any social place. So that power I have realized more in this pandemic time. And now we are happy. People are connected, more connected on webinar and other medium, so that they feel like connected and feel happy. We try to bring a smile on their faces because everybody is locked down and depression and other things are happening. But we feel happy. We are due to this medium or this internet, we are connected. And everybody.
That's definitely true. मतलब मैं देख सकती हूँ कि पहले तो इवेंट्स होते थे और जाते थे हम लोग, लोगों से मिलते थे, बट अब हम लोग इतने ज्यादा सक्षम हैं और इंटेलिजेंट हैं कि हमने अपने काम को और अपने पैशन को रुकने नहीं दिया। वी हैव चैनलाइज दैट सेम थिंग ऑन द टेक्नोलॉजिकल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड ऑर्गेनाइजिंग वेबिनार्स, जैसा कि आप भी काफी सारे इवेंट्स कर रहे हैं, ऑनलाइन इवेंट्स। सर, इस टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपकी जर्नी के बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ कि सोशलाइजिंग करना और इवेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज करना, नेटवर्किंग करना, इसमें आपकी रुचि कहाँ से बनी और हाउ डिड इट बिगिन बेसिकली?
Actually, we are blessed. My grandfather was also one of the great social workers in town. He was one of the founder of St. John Ambulance Brigade in Delhi, who got this Red Cross Society, affiliated with Red Cross Society. And Delhi's oldest Ramlila committee, my grandfather was vice president. Then my father took the legacy. He was also vice president of that oldest Ramlila of Delhi. And lot of social gathering are happening in my house since my childhood. And I was blessed to visit all the prime minister and president of India since my childhood. It was in my blood.
Okay. तो ये चीजें मतलब जो आपने environment जैसा face किया, उसी में आपका interest बनते गया?
But definitely, it was my passion to do social work. As I told, I feel like connecting people very fast. I say that people are very artificial. I feel some people are very artificial. You meet and just give your smile in the parties, but by heart they are not pure. I never feel like that. I feel like you are connected by the soul. Even this time in this closed down lockdown time, you are more connected with the people. They feel like, okay, we are friends, we are together. So this is the feeling I am carrying. And in my school age, you can say, when I was in class 11, 12, I found a club, student welfare club.
Okay.
In my school time only. So we ran that time a library, and then I organized a first Kavi Sammelan Vicky Auditorium in 1988 when I was in 12th class. I finished the 12th class, and after that we got a chance to meet Rajiv Gandhi Prime Minister also because of our events only.
School time say you were like into events and everything.
No, these were the events that 2-3 years we were active in the college life, but I was not very much good in college life because I don't want to be in politics and other thing. But we are doing our parallelly social activities that time also. But then after the marriage and business, I was little.
मैं कहना चाहूंगी यहाँ पे कि कहते हैं कि हम जिस पर्पस के लिए डिजाइंड होते हैं, अगर हम लाइफ में कभी ना कभी उस पर्पस से थोड़ा सा हट भी जाएं, जिंदगी हमें वापस वहीं उस डायरेक्शन में डाल देती है। So everybody is meant for a
The-
purpose,
you
I
are,
believe.
yeah, yes, you are so true. And in 1991, when I was just 21, I formed first Lions Club. It was I was the youngest Lions Club president that time.
Wow.
The whole North India, I got the award that year, 1991. It was the youngest Lions Club. So then we continued for next 10 years. But after there is a big change in my life in 2012.
Okay. So अभी अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं आपकी जर्नी जानने के बाद कि इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंस के बाद आप क्या कहेंगे कि सोशलाइजिंग, इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजिंग, लोगों का मिलना, एक साथ आना, अपने आइडियाज शेयर करना, अपने प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करना, अपने स्किल्स प्रेजेंट करना कितना जरूरी है, कितना महत्वपूर्ण है?
It is always one of the most essential thing in our life. और जो इस पेंडेमिक के बाद, लॉकडाउन के बाद ज़्यादा पता लग रहा है, लोगों को अपने बारे में ज़्यादा पता लग रहा है कि अलोन यू कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग. अब आपको जो हम सोशल इवेंट करते थे, वी ट्राई टू मीट पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट जॉनर, डिफरेंट फील्ड, डिफरेंट स्किल्स. So now we feel all like we are all connected.
जी.
I am not only working with the local people, I am well connected with the embassies also and many diplomats. So even
जी.
in this lockdown period, we are well connected with each other. We are sharing our views, we are sharing our news, and they feel happy. And sometimes they got some personal problems or some personal favor, personal request. So we share and we try to help each other. That is the main thing. And we shared a message beautifully in the beginning only, beginning of the lockdown. If anything needed excellency, we are here in Delhi. So they very much appreciate. And 2-3 ambassadors call me also, and they need something or other thing. So we try to manage that thing. That is a good feeling we are having.
That's definitely true. आपने जैसे happiness की बात करी, क्योंकि we know this thing that man is a social animal. तो we all need communication, we need expression, we need to meet each other. And आजकल लॉकडाउन में मिल नहीं सकते, तो this is the way out. और आपने ये चीज बहुत अच्छी बताई हमें कि yes, ambassadors and the people from different countries who are staying over here, they should feel at home. तो उन लोगों के साथ भी कनेक्टेड रहना, उनको ऐसा फील करवाना कि yes, this is their home. That kind of work you are doing, which is really commendable, I would say.
No, it is our duty. Once our duty. You are rightly saying man is a social animal, but many people are only animal. They are inhuman. But we feel like connecting, and I feel it is give me internal happiness. It give me immense pleasure.
यहाँ पे जैसे आप इतने सारे इवेंट्स करते रहते हैं और काफी सारे लोगों को एक साथ एकत्रित करते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर दैट काफी चैलेंजेस भी आते होंगे बीच में, काफी प्रॉब्लम्स आते होंगे. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ चैलेंजेस?
Yeah, people are from different field, different background, different mindset. But I feel like connecting everybody. मेरे को इतनी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. I am easy going. अच्छा, people have their own egos, own clashes, but I just keep connecting. The people are feeling you are easy going. You can connect anybody. But I feel like going like that way only.
अच्छा, अगर आप यहाँ पे मेरे को कह रहे हैं कि people tell you this thing that you are easy going, you can connect anybody, तो what do you feel? What is your USP? मतलब वो क्या स्पेशलिटी है आपकी कि how can you connect everybody?
No,
क्या वो आपका मंत्रा है?
I am not carrying anything special. I just want to just be on ground only and be as simple as you are.
Oh, so I think that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. यहाँ पे आपके लिए
yeah, there should be not any ego.
Right.
There should not be any ego.
You should be simple. You should be, down to earth, accepting towards each and everyone, and then of course you can win hearts. एक मेरे दिमाग में अब एक और सा सवाल आ रहा है आपके लिए, जो कि है कि जब आप कोई गैदरिंग करते हैं, कोई इवेंट करते हैं, सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स रिलेटेड टू एप्रिसिएशन, अवार्ड फंक्शंस आल्सो. आप लोगों को प्रोत्साहित करते रहते हैं, उनको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. तो अब इस केस में मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी वैल्यू ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन एंड नीड ऑफ एप्रिसिएशन. Like, what do you believe? How important is it for somebody?
Definitely, when you are doing good work, anybody is doing good work, they need to be appreciated. तो इसका बेसिकली आपको पावर मिलती है और अच्छा काम करने के लिए. And we believe in doing appreciating many people, and we have done so far. And last year was lucky for me. I myself got appreciated in London along with Sandeep Marwaji was there in October in London. We got an award there. Then luckily I got a very close shave. I came back from Spain in March only this year. We had a very excellence award in Spain, Madrid. So it was a good thing, good feeling always. You are getting excellence award in Madrid among the top schools of India.
It's like when you are appreciated, you feel like doing more of your good work, right?
Surely. Same when we do. Same on our level, we want to appreciate the people. Even the same we are doing next week on 21st of June. We are doing our Lions Club Charter Night, and we are giving appreciation certificate from Lions Club to many people who have done the great work in this pandemic and this ongoing war. You can say this is this is not end of the people are saying that it is not a celebration, but we would like to appreciate. They are not doing for the piece of our appreciation certificate, but this gives you their more power, and I feel like it is motivating others also. If you are getting an award, other people feel like more motivated.
Definitely. See, I would like to add something here. That is that we all are an inspiration and a living story for everyone. हम जो करते हैं वो दूसरों के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल सेट करता है, चाहे हम अच्छा करें या बुरा करें, कहीं ना कहीं एक रिफ्लेक्शन बन जाती है. So it's very important to lead a great kind of life to set an example. हम किसी से इंस्पायर होते हैं, किसी को इंस्पायर करने के लिए. What do you believe, sir?
Surely everybody inspires another person. I am too inspired in my life, but I couldn't make one guru in my life. You can say, okay, this is your guru. I couldn't have a single guru in my life. Everybody is guru for me. Whosoever is doing good thing and which attracts me or which inspire me is my guru or she is my guru.
यहाँ पे आपकी और मेरी सोच काफी मिलती है, बिकॉज मेरे लिए वो ही गुरु है जो मुझे कुछ ना कुछ सिखा रहा है. तो दैट कैन बी अ पर्सन ऑल्सो, दैट कैन बी ऑफ एनी एज ऑल्सो, दैट कैन बी अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग एज वेल. So whatever is making me teach is my guru.
Yes, that is called our easygoing nature also. No, whatever we adopt very easily, and whatever attracts you, inspire you, it is your thing. You can take it that way. You can learn from that thing.
यहाँ पे सर मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि जिस तरीके से मुसीबतें तो हर एक की जिंदगी में आती हैं, कोई बिखर जाता है तो कोई निखर जाता है. लोग जो अचीवर्स हैं, जो इंस्पिरेशन हैं, उनके कुछ माइंडसेट डिफरेंट ही होते हैं कि वो हर बैटल से या अपनी लाइफ के हर स्ट्रगल से ओवरकम करके निकलते हैं. तो आपका क्या वो माइंडसेट है, वो थॉट है, वो स्कूल ऑफ थॉट है जो आपको इंस्पिरेशन देता है आपके डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स में?
तो कहते हैं ना, हर मुसीबत आपको मजबूत बनाती है. any problem is coming, giving you a new lesson, making you stronger person. वो कहते हैं जब तक सोना भी आंख में नहीं तपे तो वो सोना नहीं बनता. So any hardships are coming, any troubles are coming, it making you a better person. And I believe in my life, life always teaches you. Whenever you getting some hard times, so it means God is pressing you and the better is coming out. So I always take it like that.
So after a heavy rain and dark nights, the belief that keeps you going is that the sun will shine again. So you have to keep these things.
And you will see the beautiful rainbow also.
Now that's really beautiful. Thanks for adding this thing. And it's like an addition to the positivity plus.
Not only sun will be there, but in the drizzling weather, you will have the rainbow also. It is a beautiful.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत सोच है आपकी, और इतनी एनर्जी मिलती है आपके काम को देखकर, आपके थॉट्स को सुनकर, समझकर. एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है.
You are very inspiring. I just saw you are into photography, you are into writing, you are into painting, you are into anchoring, you are a multi-talented person. Hats off to you.
थैंक यू सो मच सर. अभी मैं जानना चाहती हूँ, सब कुछ आपसे जानने के बाद, आपकी जर्नी के बारे में जानने के बाद, और जैसा कि आपने कोई अपने ऐसे मंत्रास तो बताए नहीं है, आपने कहा कि यस इट वाज ऑलवेज माय पैशन टू कनेक्ट पीपल एंड आई गेट इनटू इवेंट्स, और चैलेंजेस भी आपको कोई लगते ही नहीं है क्योंकि आपने अपने पैशन को प्रोफेशन बनाया, तो यू एंजॉय योर वर्क. तो अब मैं जानना चाहती हूँ फाइनली कि आप अपने लॉकडाउन डेज को कैसे स्पेंड कर रहे हैं. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग दीज डेज?
These days I am just enjoying my life with my family, and I am already busy in the live chat. Like today, I am interviewing with you. I think 5 to 10 webinars we are doing in a week. We celebrate all the International Day. First, we celebrated International Health Day. Then we celebrated May Day. Then we celebrated Buddha Purnima with all Dharam gurus from Ladakh to Dubai, many gurus were there, like Imam Saab, Sadhvi ji, and Rishikesh Paramath with Ketan, Ladakh se Bhikkhu ji. Everybody was there. Then we celebrated Africa Day. We celebrated World Environment Day. Tomorrow we are celebrating International Yoga Day. Apart from that, we do many socializing events like edu leaders conference, where all people were. We celebrated Mother's Day also, where all beautiful women were there to celebrate. We got 50 to 100 speakers. Any webinar we're doing, I don't doing a speaker specific webinar because I feel everybody is learned. Nobody wants to listen 1 hour or half an hour any particular person.
जी.
They are doing a lot of things on TV. There are a lot of things on their of their choice on webinar on the Facebook. Many media are there. But what I do, I give a chance to everybody to speak. So people are more attached and attracted. Last week we started with the blessing of Bhagavad Gita in this relevance of Bhagavad Gita in this current scenario. So we are doing this series. So a lot of things we are doing.
I think this topic is really very important. Bhagavad Gita में मैंने भी एक प्रोग्राम बनाया था because I was always into this thought that हम लोग इंडियंस मतलब जो हमारा कल्चर है उसको कई बार रिलिश नहीं कर पाते हैं अपनी लास्ट ब्रेथ तक, और बाहर की कंट्रीज में इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर सिलेबस एंड भगवद गीता गिव्स यू ऑल द आंसर्स टू लीड अ स्टेबल लाइफ, how to overcome all the things. So this kind of initiative is really should be taken by every organization, I must say, and it should be a part of the school curriculum.
Yes, we need very much changes in our curriculum, our history, our way of living. In this pandemic, the whole world is looking at India only. Our yoga thing, the pranayam thing, which is going to be very good, useful in this illness. Other than this, our Ayush thing. Even I am happy to know your own motherland, Baba Ramdev, has given some claims that he has got the medicine for this COVID. It is very good thing. Indian treatment or Indian Ayush should be promoted like anything.
Definitely, sir. Because Ayurveda is the science of life and it has all the answers, I must say. हनुमान जी ने भी संजीवनी बूटी से ही ठीक किया था लक्ष्मण जी को, तो हमें भूलना नहीं चाहिए.
Surely it is truly sad कि हमारे जो Indian ancient जितना साइंस था, जितनी टेक्नोलॉजी थी, the world has not accepted it, and India got a very setback from the rulers.
जी.
Even I have heard कि जर्मन में तो वेदास के ऊपर they are teaching the Indian Vedas only.
So that is the beauty of connectivity. That is the beauty of events where we meet different kind of people. We know each other's ideas because an idea can make a difference. And वही चीज हम लोग आज भी लेकर आए हैं कि सोशलाइजिंग, लोगों से मिलना जुलना, उनके विचार जानना, अपने विचार बताना कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. आप जो जानते हो वो आप ही जानते हो, बट जब तक आपको दूसरे की सोच नहीं पता चलेगी वो क्या कहना चाहता है तो आप लर्न कैसे करोगे. So we all are human books, and sir, hats off to you that you are doing such a great work, connecting so many people at the same time and letting them express, because expression is golden. I mean, हर बंदा बोलना चाहता है, हर बंदे को स्टेज चाहिए, माइक चाहिए और अपनी बात कहने का मौका चाहिए.
जिनको चाहिए उनको तो मिलता नहीं है, लेकिन जिनको बोलना आता है उनको हमेशा माइक मिलता है, तो कई लोग छोड़ते नहीं है माइक. I am not neither a good speaker or nor a good listener, so I just keep rotating the mic.
I remembered this thing that when the first time I interviewed you, you were like, being an organizer, it was my job to take your bite. मेरा बनता था कि आपके प्रोग्राम में आपका bite होना चाहिए. But then I had to run after you to get that one bite because you were really not interested.
No, actually I want to, because everybody should get the chance. But I see a lot of people, you know.
No, I mean to say, I can show that shows your humble nature, that मैं behind the scene खुश हूँ, मुझे स्टेज पे नहीं आना है, मैं काम में ठीक.
No, sir. No. Frankly speaking, or truly speaking, I want to see my best also, but it should not be that you taken the whole space. It should be divided. Everybody should get chance, because we are lucky, we are blessed, we are getting chance many times. But there are hundreds of people, thousands of people who are not getting any chance.
That is the beauty of true leader. True leader वो होता है जो और leaders create करता है. सो जो आपका ये माइंडसेट है, जो आपका ये थॉट है, मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी बहुत ही प्रोग्रेसिव है आपके लिए भी और औरों के लिए भी जो आपसे जुड़े हुए हैं। तो अपनी सोच को बनाए रखिए और लोगों को इंस्पायर करते रहिए, बिकॉज as Dalai Lama has said that the world doesn't need more successful people, but definitely need more lovers, healers, peacemakers, and people who encourage each other. So keep on doing this thing, and बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है कि आपने आज हमारे लिए समय निकाला, हमें इंस्पायर करने के लिए, अच्छी अच्छी बातें बताने के लिए, पॉजिटिव अप्रोच को अप्लाई करने के लिए, एक और बार रिमाइंडर्स देने के लिए। सो सर, एंड में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे जनता से? एक इंस्पिरेशनल मैसेज चाहते हैं हम आपसे।
कीप डूइंग योर गुड वर्क, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द लाइफ और अदर पीपल। गॉड इज देयर, ही इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू एंड योर डीड्स।
That is so beautiful.
Do your good work always. Keep smiling.
So simple शब्दों में आपने हमें बता दिया।
Stay at home, stay healthy.
जी, तो आपने सिंपल शब्दों में हमें बता दिया कि आप एक्सप्रेशन के लिए जिए, एक्सपेक्टेशंस के लिए मत जिए, और जो भी काम करते हैं गॉड के लिए करिए, उनको खुश करने के लिए करिए, तो आप कभी हताश नहीं होंगे।
Surely, expectation makes you depressed. But when you are not expecting anything, you will be happy in your doing.
Very true, sir. मैंने अपने पापा से एक टैगलाइन सीखी थी और उसको हमेशा के लिए रख लिया अपने दिमाग में, that expectation kills joy. So if you are expecting something, then your joy is killed forever.
You do work for your own happiness.
जी.
Without expectation, that is the main key.
Very true. तो दोस्तों, आप जो भी करेंगे, अच्छा बुरा, उसका रिजल्ट तो आपको मिलेगा ही। तो जैसा कर्म करेगा इंसान, वैसा फल देगा भगवान। तो आप करते जाइए अपने कर्म, जैसा फल चाहिए उसके अकॉर्डिंगली। और लाइफ इज अ वॉक इन द कॉरिडोर्स ऑफ इटर्निटी। So stay happy, stay at home, and we'll be back with another amazing inspirational session for you. Till then, Lockdown Live Season 2 में आज के लिए बस इतना ही। गौरव जी, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आज आपने हमारे लिए समय निकाला और आप
keep smiling always. Thank you.
Hope to see you soon.